FlowCaster is a software that allows over-the-shoulder or third monitor experiences even when working with your creative software remotely. It does so by supplying a virtual video board to your Adobe, Avid, and other creative software that outputs the video over IP rather than SDI or HDMI. This video covers using FlowCaster with Avid MediaComposer. To use FlowCaster in Avid MediaComposer or any other Avid OpenIO compatible software, right-click on the Hardware Software button and select OpenIO FlowCaster. Then left-click on the Hardware Software button to enable it as an output. If you're working with MediaComposer locally, as opposed to in a cloud instance, you'll also want to check the Play Local Audio and Broadcasting item under the Hardware Software button. To configure FlowCaster's output, select the Tools, Video Output tool menu to bring up the FlowCaster Configuration dialog and configure the kind of stream you want to send. For more information on the setup, please see our other FlowCaster configuration videos and our web pages. Once set up, the audio, video, timecode, and captions will be output from MediaComposer and sent via video IP to your receiver. Typical receivers include our free applications for iPhone, Android, and Apple TV, as well as our VideoQC player for Windows, macOS, and Linux, as well as other compatible hardware and software decoders. For more information on FlowCaster, including transmitting, viewing, capturing, and sharing of audio, video captions and timecode on workstations, VMs, and mobile, please visit www.flowcaster.com.